Hello, bonjour, comment nous y amis mieux, comment nous y ça qu'a fait? Comment famille y mes amours? Nous très bien. Bon côté pas, moi très bien, moi dormi, moi levé, son grâce que bon Dieu fait. Euh, matin, malgré que je recevoir mauvaise nouvelle, ça va empêcher que je fais une vidéo, on connaît toujours là, combat nous love, appréciation, tout ça. C'est là pour nous, you know. So, comment nous t'es passé semaine, nous? Nous t'es passé semaine, nous très bien. Beaucoup de femmes, nous t'es très bien. Si nous en forme, maman en forme, moi en forme, oh, moi content, en pile. Pour grâce, bon Dieu, fait moi pour me capable la matin. Moi connais que nous-mêmes tous, nous en forme. Nous en forme avec la famille, nous, on a bien passé. Et moi qui à l'église, à prier, moi je fais pour l'église là online. Matin, à cause que de mauvaises nouvelles là, que moi recevoir, que nous moi pas t'attendre, que nous pas t'attendre, sans mon nous mourir. So, ça pas empêcher que pour nous faire ça, pour nous faire. Même Jean-Bible a dit, laissez les morts ensevelir les morts, nous les vivants réjouissons-nous. So, c'est même week là. N'a try, il pas aussi facile, mais n'a try quand même. Après ça, ça qu'a fait. Côté nous mes amis, merci en pile à tout fanatique moi, tout le monde qui est abonné, qui like, qui partage, qui commente. Moi dis nous en pile merci, en pile love, en pile remerciement. C'est notre cœur pour nous tailler, pour nous tailler comme content. Toute appréciation nous, tout l'amour nous, tout conseil nous ban moins, tout ça que nous disons que moi aimer en pile. Cap aider Chanel la grandi, cap aider moi-même tout, faire plus effort avec Chanel là. Mes amours, un peu remerciement, chapeau bas pour nous. Avec tout l'autre monde qui vient partager, qui vient commenter, qui vient like, so, on get dit nous grand merci d'avance. Ou même qui est abonné déjà, toujours partager là l'autre amis. Les amis, sorry pour voir. Avec toutes les amis, nous, toute famille, tout le monde que nous connaît, monde qui est notre entourage, nous, mon collègue de travail, nous. So, partagez-les pour moi. Et nous connaissons nous après nous commençons nous pas plaguer dans la route. Nous connaissons nous là pour moi net. Nous supporter de toute façon. Mes amours, merci en pile. Nous allons voir tout petit bagay que m'a fait aujourd'hui. So, un pile bagay pour moi faire. Nous allons voir yo, timon yo aussi, yo besoin appréciation yo. Connais week-end nous toujours consacré pour yo et m'a fait pour yo. So guys, nous allons ensemble avec moi. Nous allons voir comment journée dimanche pour le passer. Guys, je tourne encore now, Kawe Brian, Sophia. Nous allons aller dans Burlington, nous allons aller shopping pour l'école, right guys? What's wrong, Brian? You okay? Yeah, now, on allait marcher moi petit fille. Nous allons commencer shopping parce que l'école dans 2 semaines encore, mes amis. C'est l'école dans Florida. Ça veut dire là, on doit la get charger moun. Nous allons plusieurs côtés, so nous venons avant, nous faisons tout le bagay. Comment shopping na yé pour moi.
Can I get a new bed sheet also?
Est-ce que vous venez acheter ici? On va aller dans ce store là, you know. Je vais aller pitit shopping. Okay, I'm going to do shopping. Guys, now this is Sophia. That's why you want Sophia? Let me see. It look heavy, right? Let me see. You doing lunch break?
I do want one.
You do? Why you don't take different one? The pink one.
I do not get.
You don't want the pink one?
No.
That's why you like? You see? That's what she like. Okay, I get it for her. Sophie, what about the princess over there? That one. You don't like it? Oh, I like this one. No? You need to get a pink one. Love shopping. I just about to let me see the pink one. Okay, that's nice. The pink one. The lunch bag. Let me see. That's pretty. Why you don't see your size, boy? They got plenty over here. Let me. No, you don't like that. I'm pretty sure. Come on over there. Let's go. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like those. Let me see. Okay, what about this one? What about that one? You don't like this? What about this? Too small? Okay. Let me see. What about this one? What about that? The Puma. Yeah. I think that's gonna be fit you. White? No. I'm gonna buy white for you. And then you say that's too small. This is a small one. Put it back. Get the other one. You sure you like this one? Let me see. What about that Puma? I like the Puma better. Yeah. Those is boy. The Puma is good. Let me see something. Which one? You like that one? Let me see. Yeah, that's cool. Put it back. Put it. Let me see. In your bag. Turn. That's cool. You can get this. That's cool. C'est comme ça shopping nan là. So, you have shopping quand you va regarder si vous joignez regarde. Go to the bathroom over there. Les amis, demoiselles love shopping. Let me see this. Just be careful. What is that? You need something for school. No. What? Let me see this. Mwen. Okay, you can get this. What are you doing?
This is cute. Guys, comment down below.
Let me see.
I like it.
Yeah, but you need something because you're gonna be cold soon. You need some jacket. I don't like it. You're gonna show your button. Yes, you're gonna show your button. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. That's why I don't want it. You see where she go? What about that one, princess? Look.
There's little over. Yes.
Okay. Let me see. That's your size? Let me see. No, that's 6. You don't wear 6 anymore. You might be find some over there. Look on the line. I just see. I'll buy for him. Want you a trolley, yeah? Sophie, what about this one?
Okay, I like it.
Let me see inside t-shirt. Oh, Reeboks. Yeah.
I like it.
Let me see. Oh, I like it too. It's a set. When it's cold, you can wear it.
I can wear tights under.
This one, yeah, you can buy this.
I have to buy tights
Tight,
too.
yeah. This one is two of them.
It's like this one and this one.
Okay.
I don't have this one and this. I don't have both of these.
Look, some pink colors.
Ain't this pink,
You like
guys?
this one?
Ain't this pink, guys?
Hold on. You like this one?
Yeah, ain't this pink?
Okay. Okay, now you need a tie. No more t-shirt.
Oh, but there's two pants.
Yeah, that's good. You got two pants.
Wait, maybe I can wear one of these two pants with this.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay. Okay, that's it.
Wait, can I buy this?
No, that's it for you. Buy one already.
Oh.
That's it for you. That's it for you, baby girl.
Wait, I need something else.
What's she doing? Let me see that one.
This one. That's a jacket with a jacket.
No, that's too small for you.
Hey, what about this?
No, I don't like it.
Why?
I don't like it.
Please.
Nope.
Please.
No. You need some pens now.
Why?
Okay, let's go.
Fox.
Get the pens.
Just.
Oh, what size this one is? Oh, this set is nice.
It's too short.
No, it's 10, size 10. Let me see the pens. The pens might be too big for you.
Wait, what about a watermelon? Oh, that's for babies.
Girl, now it's wine turn. Let me see. Let me see. Okay.
Do you think this is both things?
Huh? Sophie, what about that one? Let me see. Put this somewhere. No. Put it like this. It look good on you.
Hold on.
Yeah, okay. That's it. Let's get the pens.
Pants. Pants.
Yeah, you can buy this one. Buy this one. Buy this set.
Okay.
It's two pen. Many. That one.
This one has pants too, and it has a jacket for winter. Like when it gets cold.
Let me see. What size is? I don't see the size. Yeah, it's good for you.
Yes.
And this pen too. Oh, those got pens. Oh, you get one already. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Let's go, Brian. Brian, turn. No more. No, no more. Now it's Brian turn. No, Brian turn. I buy too much stuff for you. That's for Brian. Your figure. Now Brian turn. Veuillez buy valise mwen. Pou veye valise la, pou moun pal nan valise mwen. Monsieur Brian à l'action. Mais Sophie, get my keys. Monsieur Brian à l'action. What about this, Brian? No? Mais c'est plus difficile dans le mode là.
Can I buy matchy PJs?
What about this one?
Yes.
Sir? Oh, Jordan, oui? You don't like Jordan anymore? Kano kwa moti moun difficile, monsieur.
Dun, 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 dun,
Brian,
dun, dun. Can I vlog? Do you think this is gonna?
Can we come out for a video? Why you don't like this?
Are you sure?
Let me see. That looks like a girl. That's a girl style. No, that's a boy style. Come on, man.
I swear people gonna laugh at me sometimes.
They're gonna laugh at you when you wear this one. Anyway, I'm buy whatever I want. I buy both. Guys, help me. This one, both is nice, right? I take it.
Wait, what?
Take it.
Let's see what he's picking. Brian, what about? Brian, what else? I'm choosing my clothes. Yeah.
You see? All good stuff, you don't like it.
Jordans, especially Jordans. Guys, comment down below if you think I should get one more thing. Me and Brian should get something for Jojo.
Jojo, you are going to school.
He's going to preschool, right?
Sir. Hello. Calvin Klein. Oh, it's nice.
Wait, wasn't that old?
Huh?
Kevin Klein.
Oh, it's good style.
No, it's old. It's old.
What is old?
On my neck.
Wow, my goodness, help me, Lord.
Can I buy PJs for Jojo?
Oh, Jojo. Okay, you like this one? No? What about this?
Wait, show them the design on it. The pants. They're short pants, guys.
Yeah, I like this.
Wait, what about this one?
Which one?
It's fresh for church.
You like this, sir?
For church, you guys, for church. I don't know how they fit me, but okay. No. It's
Wait.
for church. It's
Your sister choose it
Right.
for you.
Don't you think this is good for church?
It was school clothes, not a
Not
church.
church clothes.
Okay, that's why you like. You see? That's two things you like.
Wait, mommy. After that, can we buy shoes?
Yeah.
Shoes. So how much shoes do you think I should get? 1 billion, for sure. Or 1,000, I guess. Me?
You like this?
Dun. Yeah, I'll take it.
You take it?
Wait, hold on. Be the same. It has
Adidas.
blue, light blue,
Yeah.
yellow, like a lime yellow mixed together. Wait,
Now you need some jacket, Brian. You got one.
wait.
two,
What about
three,
this one? What about this one? Oh, you Nike.
five.
So if you stop choosing my clothes, fine. I don't care. Fine. Finding socks. Mommy, can I go find socks with them? Can I go find socks?
It's not done yet.
Wah.
You give me all time. Hey.
Look at the posters. Wow. My neck hurts. Ow.
Brian, get out of my video. I like that too. No?
It has the same color. It has the same colors as this.
Oh, you have one already?
Mom, please don't say yes. Don't.
You don't like this? You don't like this? Why? That's good.
Didn't we have that shoes? Yeah, we did have that shoes.
Tell me, you don't like it now. Why?
She doesn't like it.
Guys, look. You don't like
I mean, we used to have these shoes. It would go perfectly
Exactly.
with the name of the shoes.
You don't have the shoes though.
Really?
Stop choosing my clothes, okay?
Hey!
Stop choosing my clothes.
William, that's for $13. I take it.
Wow. I don't know when he's gonna wear that.
Okay, now go on the pen. You need a pen.
You vlogger. You the vlog now. My neck hole.
You need pens.
Wait, mommy, can I go get my socks?
You need to wait. Oh shoot. Beautiful happy. Come here, come over here. Brian.
No.
Go in size 12. What you doing, Brian? Oh, la, 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 la. Oh, la, 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 listen. Where you going? Right here. Come over here. You need to hurry up, man. You got Adidas. Those is Adidas over there. You don't want it?
I found socks that I wore.
What about those?
Those look like army pants. Guys. Socksies.
What sizes?
They don't have no size.
Yeah, they have size on it.
No, they don't. I don't see no size. I don't see no size. Where's the size?
I'm gonna check. Hold on.
I'll take this.
What?
What about this one?
That look too.
To what?
Too.
You don't know what you want.
Yes, I do.
No, you never know what you want. Let me see. That's
I
my.
think I'm done.
No, you need more pen, long pens now. You need jeans. Let me see this one. What is this? I don't like it. I don't like it.
I buy too much clothes.
What about that one? No?
No.
You don't like this? Yeah? Okay. What about this one?
Yeah.
You like this? Okay.
I kind of like it though.
You need more pens. You need more pens. You need more pens, Papi.
I have a lot of pants.
Yeah, Sophia buy a lot of pens. You need more.
Let's take this.
Long pens.
This is long.
Yeah, this is cute.
Take that off. What about this one? No? You don't like it? Guys, that boy is very difficult. Difficult on purpose. What about this? Okay. No. It's nice. Oh my God. That's a difficult kids I have. Are you serious? Okay, what about this one? That's for girl? Sorry. Tell me if I'm my shake, I'm back at home. Why they put girl stuff over here? Okay, that's for girl too? No, that's not for girl. It's not for girl. It's boy. If you don't like it, just leave it.
Size 12.
Why? It's good for you.
It's 12.
Yeah. It's too big. What about this one?
Same.
No, that's a girl's. You sure?
Then why is this pink?
I don't know.
Then why is this pink?
I don't know.
I'm going too far. Too far.
Where you get only short pins?
Can I buy short pants?
Brian, what about this one? Eh? Jesus Christ. You want me to I want you one.
Mommy, I haven't buy no short pants.
This one is for boy. Come here. It's for boy. If I figure me on. Of course, it's boy.
I need glasses.
You need glasses. Why you left your glasses at home? It's boy. Jesus Christ. Guys, help me. You know what? I'm done with you. You don't want it?
What about the NBA?
Amis, en fin de compte. Wait, where's my key? En fin de compte, we finish shopping. Where's my key? So now, nous allons aller. Monsieur Davier, chacun un bout de sac. Ouais. Machin, dis-nous, t'allais, wait. Sophie, on va capoter bout de sac, quoi? Machin, non, mais machine là, oui. Je vais capoter un pour nous, non? Et j'ai une fille à un garçon. Mais machine là. Ouais, marché. Et regarde nous, à faire l'école, nous là-dedans. Guys, financé là. Il fait me défoncer tout ça là, moins. So, pour l'école, yo. And then, quand y a là, nous prenons la caille. Ok, mes amours?
Something next.
I'm
hungry.
You hungry? Après toute l'argent fin dépensé là?
I thought you had more money.
No, I spent more than $400 for both of you. You think I got more money? No, I'm not. Okay, guys, c'est comme ça va yo, yeah? Ok, pitit. Pas comprendre, non? à comprendre les petites. Ok, mes amours, c'est comme ça, bagay. Mais il y a pour ranger des machines là. À tout ce Brian, chaussette tout tombé.
Guys, look at my lunchbox. Key bananas.
Ok, mettez la Sophie. So, c'est comme ça nous avons passé aujourd'hui pour l'école là. Et puis nous allons la caille qu'on y a. Et comme ça, bah, yo, yeah. Nous pour aller.
Something.
What something? Excuse-moi.
It was with the
Bon passé. Malgré que je lâcher là, toute l'argent me dépensé là. Non. Avancez, faites porte là. Quand y en a vu demander votre bague encore, on sait petit monde mes amis. Aidez-moi non.
But I have it right there in front of you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I don't have no more money. I spend all my money
they
today.
use credit.
Oh, you thought it was on me? Mais tu garçon on dit me use credit.
Credit card.
Credit card? Et ça pour me use?
Yes.
But
Oh.
you just use credit.
Oh, ok. Tout bon.
So you can see.
Nous voyons toute l'argent que vous achetez pour nous là.
I know, but you just
But
use
you say yes to all of it.
Ok, parce que je connais nous besoin pour l'école là. Mais quand y a nous pas qu'à vivre de notre bagarre encore non.
Yes.
You're hungry.
Belle mes amis. Mes amis, mes amours, c'est comme ça bagarre la télé. Nous sommes bien fun, même les tout yem là. J'aime beaucoup acheter choses pour eux, but il y a plus de bagages que il y a moins pour l'école là ouvrir parce que l'école là 2 semaines, l'école boy ici a ouvrir. Moi dis merci à tous les amis mio, toute famille mio qui peut regarder vidéo là. Pas oublier abonner, pas oublier partager, pas oublier faire vidéo marcher pour moi. Oh, je me fais mal guys. So, on ces amis nous pas manquer. N'a pas aidé, on compte sur nous. Mais tu filmes dans des airs, tu princesse là. Right, so? She said, I'm hungry. Hey, Brian. You good?
But I'm still getting
Still hungry?
Mele, mes amours. Mele, c'est ma timonio. No McDonald's, chérie. Non. Ok, mes amours, m'a quitté nous là, on va la crème fatiguée. Merci en pile à tout le monde qui parle. Abonnez, partagez, like, commentez. Un grand bisou. Mouah, à tous les amis. Moi, mais nous en pile. C'est amis pas nous. Pas grand l'autre. Sans. Bye.